Hi everybody, welcome back. I'm Angie. Welcome to Love Always Angie. Today we're cleaning downstairs. It's got stuff stacked all over. It needs dusted. It's mostly pretty dusty because we had the house open this weekend. It was pretty nice, pretty warm, but now Sunday it's bothering me. It's dusty, dirty, and I need to get it cleaned up. So let's get busy. This is just a small portion of the books I've read while we've been staying at home. It's only a very small portion. I have others I've already put away upstairs. But I'm going to put these on the steps to go up next time I go up, and we'll get them put away instead of in stacks like this all over the house. These are bracelets we bought for a friend of ours, Robin, who is going through a terrible cancer treatment process. She has brain cancer and it's just been horrible for Robin and her family. So her niece Emma set up this fundraiser, created these bracelets and sold them as a way to provide support and encouragement for Robin. So Emma, thank you for doing that. Thank you for bringing these over to our house and dropping them off safely so that we have them and nobody's put at risk, particularly Robin while she's undergoing treatment. And Robin, we love you, we're praying for you, and we are happy to have our bracelets. We use the gates to keep Sophie from going upstairs and from breaking through the patio door, so it just gets set off to the side at night, but I'm going to set it across the bottom of the stairs now. Leather does get dusty and you do need to wipe it down.
It's easy to speak out about the way I live, but it's a 24-karat dream. No supermodel in my dirty jeans, but in my 24 inches.
Oh, the dog hair's everywhere. I am just dry dusting today because it's going to be nice, like I said, and we will open up the house again. So rather than pledge and everything today, I will wait until our normal cleaning day, which is typically Friday afternoon or Saturday morning.
Calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman.
My daughter's made masks for us, and this is the template for the filter that goes inside.
I spend my time, but it's a 24-hour streak.
If you guys have dogs that bark, this is just a squirt bottle that we got. I think we got it at Target in the dollar spot, or we might have got it at Dollar General or something, but this is just water. There's nothing in here but water. And when Sophie barks, we just squirt her in the face and she stops barking. It's been amazing. It's not harmful. We're not yelling at her or scolding her. When she barks, she just gets a little squirt. She stops. So if you have barking dogs, this might be worth looking into.
Mad woman calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman.
We need to run that, obviously. It's full.
It's such a funny way to tell me what you search in life. Well, I'm a mad woman, sorry I don't compromise. Mad woman, keep calling me a mad woman.
When you guys are washing your sink, make sure you're getting into these corners really well and up under here where your sink meets your countertops. Whether your sinks are undermounted or overmounted, you want to make sure that that gets cleaned out really well. Run some soapy water down your drain, some hot soapy water, so nothing sticky or disgusting sticks to the pipes and brings odor back up through your sink.
You just wanna hold, you just wanna